We committed. I'm here
We
in
look forward
our
to our fellowship on the 13th.
and
Okay.
why?
Bicameral
Merry
members.
Christmas po.
Hi,
Thank you,
Chief
thank you.
Romy.
Thank you.
Please,
Yes.
kindly convey.
More will be coming. We'll be looking for more ways to support the troops. Assure them.
As we committed,
We assure them more for next year. So, thank you.
daily
Thank you.
allowance from 150 to 350. It's not only been affirmed, but it's been approved and it's being signed right now. We will ratify the bicameral report this afternoon. So please tell them that whatever they heard, that's all fake news. Basta nagsalita tayo when we speak. I as the speaker and the House, when you speak, we mean it and we will always deliver. You are top priority, sir. Please tell the AFP, top priority po kayo. And we are fully committed to support all of you and keep your morale high and to always take care of you. Please convey that. Ha? Mabuhay ang AFP. Mabuhay sa inyo lahat. Okay. So that's decided here in the BICAM, that will be ratified tonight in the plenary. We will ratify the budget on Wednesday, and the President will sign it into law. That is as good as gold. Huh? So I just wanted to allay any fears that there was anything other than what we had committed in some ballot to you and to the troops. Mabuhay, 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 mabuhay. We look forward to our fellowship on the 13th. I can help it. Okay. Mabuhay. Merry Christmas to all. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Yes. More will be coming. We'll be looking for more ways to support the troops. Assure them. We assure them more for next year as well. Thank you, thank you.
Is it?